Hi all, welcome to Tech with Roshan. In this video, I will show you that how to install VMware Workstation Pro. So first we have to go on VMware Workstation Pro website, and that is https://www.vmware.com. Just a minute, and just go scroll down. After that, click on the Workstation 16 front for Windows. We have two options. One is for Windows, one is for Linux. So just click on download now. See, the download has been started, but I am cancelling the download because I have already downloaded the software. So let you show that. See, I have already downloaded the software. Name is VMware Workstation Full 16.1.2. So just double click on that. It is asking about the permission. Just click on yes. Some process has been running. My VMware Workstation is already installed, so it will give some error. Just we have to click on next. See, I have already installed that, so because of that, this is saying the option change, repair and reboot. But if your system doesn't have, it will show you dot install, and just after that we will have to click the next button. So just what I am doing, that just I'm removing my previous installation. So just I will click on remove product configuration, license information. Yes, next, remove. It is showing that removing VMware Workstation Pro. See, the icon of VMware has been removed. Okay. So again, just I am starting the installation. Just click on next, accept the license agreement, next, 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 install. It will take some time. So that I am pausing the video. Yes, see, you can see that the installation has been completed. Just click on finish button. See, one icon has been created on desktop with VMware Workstation Pro. Just double click on that. See that key. Previously I have created that one virtual machine of Windows 8, so it is showing here. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, then you can connect with me on my email ID techwithroshan@gmail.com. Thank you so much.